All right. Well, trying this on the iPhone 7. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. And it's a bit after 4. I've done my audit already. Sit here and checked a few more videos out and checking out things on how to get money around. I'm thinking about opening a third bank account. I'm hoping that between 3, I might be able to not get in trouble over there on not being able to get money. We'll see. Also checking into different phone companies as to what their roaming fees would be for, like the first year getting over there. Yeah. We'll see. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and today is 4:30:24, and it's Monday morning. Yay, Monday morning. Yeah, you really want to mess up a week. Start your week on Friday night and turn Friday night into a Monday morning, and then have a real Monday morning. It is what it is. Anyway, it could be worse. At least nobody's shooting at me. Yeah, I've been looking at the different phone companies as to what they're going to charge for getting my phone service to carry it with me part-time. I had Mint on one phone and it had pretty good stuff, but then it hauled off and changed, and now it wants to charge you per day or per 3 days, and it's too much. They just blew themselves out of the water. So as soon as that phone contract runs out, which will be in January of next year, I'll figure out which of these different phone companies is the best at that time for sure, and put my main number over on it. And I'll be finding one that has the ability to carry it with me to the Philippines so that I can have that phone number so that my family can keep it. I'm also looking at, what do they call it, Magic Jack, and thinking about getting one of those. And being a person that already has 3 phone numbers, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to get rid of a couple of phone numbers between now and then and consolidate it down. Yeah, trying to get down to 1 phone number or 2 to carry to the Philippines with me. I need to lose at least 1. Because I'll probably be picking up 1 or 2 over there. Yeah, I'm not sure I like this idea. Part of me says get rid of all of them. Except, then how am I getting my money? Okay, just get 1 over in the Philippines and hope it works. Yeah. Eventually I will get rid of and transfer over and get things figured out, but that's a whole nother issue. And same thing with the banking. Try to open up something maybe with Fidelity and maybe with Chase and with my Schwab that I already have in my local bank here. Yeah, I'll get it figured out. Don't want to be without money when you go to the Philippines. Cash society and all, Yeah, and I was even looking at different mobile hotspot for traveling with and checking those out. I don't know. Don't have to make up my mind on any one thing yet, but I do know I want to try to make as much money between now and then as I can, and yeah, get things figured out. And that's one of the things I'm doing. So yeah, hauled off and got my groceries today. Wait, I actually spent $50 at the grocery store. I think all last month I barely spent $100 at the grocery store. Actually, I don't think I haven't done my full budget for this month of April yet, so I haven't checked to see. But with what I bought today or yesterday and everything before, I think I'm under $100, like 85 ballpark, 90. Yeah, just got to stay out of the dang restaurants. From what I looked at it, I'm $60 on frickin' restaurant, 4 times out. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know about you, but it's getting ridiculous. You can't even eat for $15 anymore. You know, that's just not right. Can't even get a dinner at a place for $15 for one person, and that's just totally ridiculous. Yeah. So I will be. I'm going to try to cut that back down to just twice a month, and keep it at $30 a month for, well, I may even try to go just once a month. We'll see. But yeah, the cost of feeding myself out is way more expensive. Although I did go by and I picked up, yeah, I know, this is crazy. I picked up chicken. They had it on sale. $1 a pound for chicken thighs or legs. I went with thighs. I bought one package. Broke it up. I got 5 little packages out of it. And one of them's going to go into some soup when I get home in the morning. I ate one yesterday. Yes, instantly packaged it up, and one went into the refrigerator for today. One went into the air fryer for right now, and and then 3 of them went into the freezer. No delaying getting it into the freezer. It was not from the meat discount section. I've been traumatized. I've got post-discount meat section disorder something. Yeah. Yeah, I probably won't be buying chicken from the discount meat section anymore. Yeah, just saying. And yeah, I happened to find those there. And yeah, I put them in there, and I'm trying to not waste my money buying too much meat. But yeah, I can tell you the dogs probably liked what I threw out when I got done, because I threw out most of that chicken. And so there's some puppy over there probably had got into a big fight over that, because just one big chunk of chicken went out the door. And I'm pretty sure whatever dog found it probably had some competition keeping it. So, yeah. Yeah, I won't be having that problem again. Anyway, got my bit of grocery shopping done yesterday morning, and got that all packaged up and put up. They also had pork chops on sale, and pork steaks, Boston butt pork steaks. Those went into packages. I got 1 in the fridge and 3 in the freezer, so had a pretty good run there. And yeah, I don't know about you, but I like pork steak, pork chops, whatever you want to call them, and they actually fry up pretty good in the air fryer. I've actually hauled off and was trying the last time to do some, like breading on them and do them in the air fryer. I think I need to spray them with a little bit of, the Pam spray oil. Just hit them on one side, hit them on the other side, and then put them in after getting them breaded. That way there's a little bit, because it kind of didn't fry the bread from the inside. It just made it gooey on the inside and crisp burnt on the outside. So I'm going to try to, I don't know. Probably would have helped if the pork chops hadn't been cold and took longer to warm up and cook. I don't know. I'm learning how to do the air fryer on pork chops, breaded ones. So we're getting that done. I'm going to try to drop over and get a piece of paperwork over to my doctor, signed and such, for getting my CT scan on my chest. And I need to talk to him about getting an x-ray on my lower back, seeing what might be wrong there, because I'm having a hard time with it. We'll see. But I've been doing more exercises, and I was looking at some videos about chair yoga and some other guy doing specific exercises and stretches for the lower back and building. So I don't like exercise, but I'd rather get some exercise and try to maintain and improve my back than have to go to surgery or something. So I think I'm going to start trying to do exercise. I know it's a horrible word to say, but I need to take and get in shape. So, like with my walking, I'm trying to improve. And I did walk around the grocery store all day yesterday. So, yesterday was a pretty productive day. I had a pretty good one there. Anyway, that's going to call it for the day. This is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.